restoring wholeness to natural systems, aligning with the field. We were born to do this. We were born to thrive.
The same way there's no magic pill that can cure us if we don't deal with our lifestyle, I don't believe there's any one person or group, let alone some Marvel superhero, who can solve all our problems. I just don't think we can outsource that capacity. So what it means is that we're all in charge of coming up with this stuff ourselves. And as daunting as it can feel, it's actually good news. Because if it weren't up to us, we'd be powerless, and we're not. We are as powerful as we allow ourselves to be. We're not alone in this. We are profoundly connected. Science and spirit both show that now. And as the poet Rumi reminds us, remember, you're not just a drop in the ocean. You're the ocean in a drop.
We dedicate this film to the unified field that connects all life and to the glorious and courageous ways people are aligning harmoniously with it to create a thriving world. For updates on breakthrough innovations and opportunities to participate, go to thriveon.com. Being included in Thrive 2 does not imply that those interviewed agree with all of the conclusions presented in this film, nor does it mean that we agree with all of their perspectives. They have each contributed importantly to our understanding, and we are grateful to them all. Producer, director, co-writer, co-host, Kimberly Carter Gamble. Director of Visual Design, co-writer, co-host, Foster Gamble.
Cycles repeating, the earth is speaking, saying time has come to wake up from this nightmare of lies.
May the Big Bang's power source keep your heart beating.